Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 21st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir was up 7 cents today. Woohoo! 0.26%. Let's all go buy Teslas. We closed at 26.62. Oh, nice palindrome and all even numbers. And post-market, we are down 14 cents, 26.48, all even numbers. Let's look at this recovery that Palantir is trying to do. After yesterday's drop, which stopped at $26. Look at this. I cannot make this up. Today, guess what? The low is at exactly 26.08. So 26 is really a support. People are not wanting to sell below 26. Or people consider that 26 is a really good price and they want to get in. So we have a red candle here, lower high than yesterday, but the same low. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. At 9:30, we seemed like we were going to go a little bit higher than yesterday, but then came back down, stayed sideways, tried to get up, but we're just making higher lows, and then finally we started making some higher highs a little bit. Yeah, it's still tough. It's still tough, I cannot lie to you. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators. Stochastic at 50. So stochastic is took a beating. It's now at 50. What else can we look at? We have a breakover bearish. Let me just fix this. We have a breakover bearish for MACD, and DMI is still okay. So I think it's not so bad. I actually think it's not so bad. But we are still in this second channel. The first channel is here. The second channel is right here. And we are still almost mid-channel in terms of the distance between this support here and this resistance here. We are over 26, so 26 is a very important number. So 26, we like that a little bit. And we also have this one here. Let me just see if I did it currently. 27.42 or 27.50. So 27.50, my number is somewhere far away. So let's pull back a little bit. So 27.50 is right here, and this corresponds to the top that we have on June 28th. It looks like we are going to enter into a congestion zone, just like Tesla. Yes, we are part of channels, but we can have different patterns happening at the same time. So right now we are between 26 and 27.50. So what we need to check is, are we going to stay over this here, this channel support here? So are we going to stay above this? If we are going to stay above this, can transforms into an asymmetric triangle, and this is a bullish pattern where the stock is supposed to break 27.50 at some point. Let's just keep an eye on this support here. Also, we need to stay above 26. This is what I would check. Thank you very much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. You can become a member of this YouTube channel. You can also get a discount for TradingView by clicking on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.